I think which is very important because we are talking about the emotion or the fear of the parents, which
Yeah.
is naturally a parent will be having, and we have
So
explicit.
another question to you, sir, like it's not for them, because whatever it is, whenever we talk about futuristic plans, like leaders of tomorrow, or sorry, whatever it is, but the future is like first we have to solve the problem which is at hand. Like first you finish your 10th board, then your 12th board. So ultimately we are all traveling towards that. So these kind of questions when they are falling, let's say because next grade, like she's in 8th, so next it's going to be NCRT. Let's forget about it because NCRT is the question paper. They all have old papers and they will be following that. When it comes to the 4th grader, so now he has to grow up and then again it is going to be the 10th board. So when they come, these kind of questions, so mostly is it going to be always like that? So will they be able to solve the problem which is first?
Yeah.
So you are asking international level questions, whereas in national
So
level.
can
will be
I think
finish
I'll
it.
answer that question
Yeah,
because
okay.
it's an academic one. See, I would like to bring your attention to something that has happened since 2022.
Okay.
Okay? 21, 22, they started introducing very, very analytical kind of questions, even in English. Okay? For instance, now, all of us know what comprehension we have done. Normally, it will be one statement and say, okay, Jack climbed the tree. Who climbed the tree? Jack climbed the tree. So that's about it, that kind of thing.
Yeah, we can get the answers from the passage.
Absolutely. Today it's not possible. Because the 11th and 12th papers have changed. Right? Now, what we need to understand here, and this is something that I would ask all of you to listen to very closely. The CBSE has started what we call a top-down approach, which means they made the changes in grade 11 and 12.
Get that slide.
Okay?
Bloom's taxonomy.
And they are doing the 11 and 12, they are ensuring that they have a lot of competency based questions like create, evaluate and analysis. They have it in 11th and 12th. They have introduced
Bloom's.
it. 10th, this one. 10th, 11th and 12th, they are doing it. Now the point is, if we follow that, our children are facing a lot of difficulty when they come into grade 9. Because they are going to like, oh my God, I don't know how to answer this. So what we have done, we are doing the bottom-up approach.
So this is going to help them when they come to
exactly.
grade 9.
Also, you will also come across another thing. The National Curriculum Framework has been done by global experts. It's not only by Indians. Right? So the inputs have come from ASA, which is Australian, Oxford, which is from the UK, and Pearson's assessments from America. Plus also a lot of things that have been in use in the UAE, which again is UK and ASA based. Right? So these are the inputs that have made our national curriculum today. So automatically, if we don't go the global way, we are depriving our children of being able to answer analytical questions when they are given in grade 11 and 12.
So now when they are studying like the Exceed book, so what do you suggest about that? Do you think we should change all right from the beginning? Should we?
Yes, but that is the reason why even though the books are very good, I mean Exceed is an excellent
Exceed is good.
curriculum.
Yeah, Exceed is really good.
Yes, but nevertheless what we are doing is going even beyond that and asking them conceptual based questions. So that it doesn't matter from where the questions come, they must be able to answer.
As we said, like that is
More
what our
like,
teachers were doing.
maybe like from whatever books it is, you think they must be able to.
They must be
so
able
that
to.
the practicing, the preaching should be like pretty up to the mark. Like because I didn't have any qualms over the question paper at all. So as the previous parents said, is the practice there?
Yes.
So when do you think the children will be,
Yeah.
armored with practice to tackle such a question paper, sir?
They should be better than yesterday. They should be better
Yeah,
than
yeah,
yesterday.
they
They should be
can
better
use
than
that, so I can
tomorrow.
agree.
I mean, my point, if I have to understand your question right, please correct me wrong if I understood wrong, ma'am. That you asked that you have a child at grade 4, grade 8 and 12.
Yeah.
Now, we are preparing in a kind of a pedagogy where it's a different pedagogy, where it is taken in the global perspective. When you're coming into the grade 8, it follows the NCRT, which is coming into the national perspective.
Yes.
Now, I am asking a question. We live in an educational system. We can choose any kind of educational system. But after grade 12, irrespective of IB, IGCSE, ICSE or CPSE, what we actually want a child to be with.
I think not CBSE, something they are changing like everything because when I was studying, I was from metric board. So now metric is not in the radar at all. CBSE. Likewise, we have to keep on improvise beyond that.
There are quite IB schools who are actually doing good, but not all IB schools are doing good. It's not about the
Sorry?
syllabus. Not all IB schools are doing good.
Yeah, true.
There are
true,
quite
it's
CB schools are doing good. Not all the
certainly, yeah,
CB schools.
definitely, because
So it's not. It's if you look into the curriculum is very much important. What we integrate into the curriculum, CBSE, what we integrate in the IB curriculum. If you look into the lesson plan, and if you compare that IB curriculum with the lesson plan of your school's lesson plan, and I think you will have a better comparisons. How much the kind of the pedagogicals are trying to impart from those kind of pedagogical system to here, because you wanted things to be global.
yes,
Number one.
Yes.
And your point is you want to resolve something which is national and local, and then you get into global. Number two. Now we are in grade 4 and 8 and 12. We are bound to follow 8 and 12 with this NCERT because we don't have any kind of private publishers coming in. To my knowledge, it's been 14 years CBSE has relooked NCERT.
Yeah.
14 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்கை நாளைக்கு உலகத்துக்கு ஒரு குழந்தை எப்படி படிக்க முடியும்?
Correct. அதான்
ஆனால் அந்த சிஸ்டமில் தான் எக்ஸாம் வைக்கிறாங்க. அந்த எக்ஸாம் வைக்கிற அதிகாரம் எனக்கு கிடையாது.
correct.
8th வரைக்கும் 9th வரைக்கும் வைக்கிற எக்ஸாமில் அதிகாரம் எனக்கு இருக்குது. என்னோட இதை என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, ஜஸ்ட் see the process.